Hi everyone, my name is James and today I will be showing you a quick tip in Archicad 22. And before we get started, there is a red button below this video. The button is written subscribe, and all you have to do is click on that button to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And after you've clicked on the button, there's a bell button now that appears. Click on it to activate notifications so that when I post new content, you'll be among the first person to get notified and view whatever information I have posted for you. Now, having done that, it's now time to get started with our Archicad tip number 3 on how to show or hide the project navigator or the project organizer. Now, most of the times when you are using Archicad for the first time, you open it and it brings a screen that looks like this one, and this is the default workspace for Archicad 22 working on a demo mode. And this is why if I want to create my building or whatever object I want to create, I'll start sketching from this point. But sometimes you are creating a multi-story project, you have like 5 floors, you have building sections, you have details, you have elevations, you have all those schedules and elements and components and indices that you have to switch from one to another so that you can be able to detail your project. And when that happens, you will need to have the project organizer at this part of your screen, so that it will be easy for you to just click and click when you are switching between views. Let me show you something here first. Now, this is what I'm talking about. All this important information that is contained in this part, and you might need to access it every now and then so that it becomes easier for you to switch between views, to switch between elevations and sections and whatever information you want to access for your project. And sometimes you will find that this is not showing. It is as blank as this. It is just like this, and you want to have it showing here so that when you want to access it, it becomes easier for you to access it. Now, there is only one thing that you are supposed to do. Over this icon here, which is the pop-up navigator, click on it, and then there is this button here. If you click on this, you will get all these 4 options, and what we want to do for us is to show navigator. And if you click on show navigator, it is going to be pinned to the right part of your screen. And now if you want to switch between from a basement to roof, the only thing you are needed to do is just right click on what you want to activate, like that, then it gets active. If you want to activate an elevation like you have here, you right click on that elevation and Archicad will take you to that view. Now, all this information that is here is contained in something called the project organizer, and with the project organizer also you can be able to switch between different views, from plans to sections to worksheets to details, and all this that is contained here. And depending on the stage of design that your project has reached, you can either have existing floor plans, you can have ceiling plans, you can have proposed plans, and all that information you can access it via the organizer. Now that's it for now. It was just a quick tip to show you how you can switch between or how you can show or hide this part of your project. And I hope you've learned something, and this marks the end of our video. Until next time, keep learning and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.